Hi guys, if you are seeing the message, this form is currently unavailable in JotForm. Here's how to fix it step by step. Step 1. Open your form inside JotForm. Click on settings at the top of the form builder. Then you can able to see under form settings, click on form status. Here it is. Check whether the form is set to be disabled. If it is, visitors won't be able to access the form and will see this form is currently unavailable message. Step 5. Change the form status from disabled to enabled. Click Save to apply the changes. Now open your form link again and refresh the page. So here is a form. I'm gonna refresh this. As you can see, the form is now available and users can submit responses normally. That's the quickest way to fix the this form is currently unavailable error in JotForm. If you are planning to use JotForm, you will find my link in the description below. If you decide to sign up through that link, it will help support the channel at no extra cost to you. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next tutorial.